Good evening, students. Today in this class, I am going to explain a very important one mark question from the chapter quadratic equations. Okay, the question is, find the nature of the roots of 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So that is the question. Find the nature of the roots of the quadratic equation 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, let us start the solution. Given equation is 3x square minus 2x plus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. Okay, first you compare the given equation with the general quadratic equation. What is the general quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general form of the quadratic equation. So compare these two. You will get, we have a is equal to 3, b is equal to minus 2, c is equal to 1 by 3. Okay, here we have to find the nature of the roots. Remember, the nature of the roots depends on the value of the discriminant b square minus 4ac. Okay, let us find b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac is equal to minus 2 whole square minus 4 into, what is a? 3. What is c? 1 by 3. Minus 2 whole square means 4. 3 gets cancelled. 4 minus 4, that is equal to 0. Here b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Understand? So, if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots of the given equation are real and equal. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then the roots of the given equation are real and equal. Therefore, the nature of the roots of this equation are real and equal. Okay, that's it for today. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.